Woke up this morning, I am so lazy, I'm late again. Put on my makeup, the sun is shining, I feel great. I rush down the street, my friends are waiting there for me. One more adventure, it's gonna be a tough day at school. There's so much to learn, and we are giving all our best. No time for fooling, it may seem hard but it's my life. The teacher caught me daydreaming again. All I can think is you. Will I make it to the end? My friends keep telling me you're the one who can do incredible things you do. You're the best, and maybe you deserve the gifts you have. Can't you see you are strong? You're fighting against the demons every day. You're a star. Remember where you come from, who you are. Come join us. We have a day out. I wonder what we're going to do. I'm so excited. Shall we go shopping all day long? I see my parents. It's hard to be away from home, but it's all worth it. I love to share it with my friends. But look at yourself.